Well, hello from Legoland, Florida. Today is the media preview for the Lego Movie World. You probably already saw this video, but this video, I'll be showing you everything else I did in the day of the preview, and also maybe a little bit from the grand opening day. Today will be Brianless. Tomorrow I will have a Brian with me. Over here at the Ford Driving School, of course, we see construction walls, because you can't have a theme park without construction walls. And look, it's Hollywood Boulevard in Los Angeles. You know, where I'm going in July. Have I not mentioned that? A little excited about that. Also, the Legoland Water Park, now open. Today I'll be trying the chocolate covered croissant. Once again, as the previous video, it is located here in the coffee shop. These are TBD still. If you're wondering, the Lego Movie 2, the second part, photo op is still here. Actually, it's quite good. I didn't get a coffee because I already had coffee this morning. Got my Yeti. Not super impressed with the Yeti. Sorry for those who love Yetis, but this is really good. Back at the Fried Chicken Company, trying some mac and cheese bites. This is something I showed you last time, I believe, but I didn't order it because I'd already eaten quite a bit, and well, I was just full. So, what is a mac and cheese bite? It is, well, mac and cheese, which is breaded and then deep fried. Pretty good. These are fresh, so they're a little hot, which is not a bad thing, but gonna wait a moment to eat them. But I had one, and they're good. More of a side item, but wanted to try it and tell you guys what I think of it. Here at the Lego City Fire Department, the Firehouse Ice Cream, something really cool about this building that they did. I think I might have shown you this before, but from the National Fire Prevention Association, I'm guessing on the A, I could be wrong on the A, but there are a few things like no two ways out of every room. Unless it's a bathroom, then there's only one. But it shows a lot of safety tips for families, which is pretty cool. It's a nice partnership since a lot of kids come here. Good lessons. So, quick tip, if you're in Cypress Gardens and you're wondering how to get somewhere, just pull up Google Maps. As all of the trails are mapped out. Well, I've said this many times before, and I'll say it one more time. It's really, really pretty back here. Fortunately, I have to be up at 5 a.m. to come back here for the grand opening of the Lego Movie World, so don't have time to admire it today. So a lot of times when I come here to Legoland, Florida, I talk about the attractions, which are great, but there's a lot of great shopping as well. Like, for example, the Minifigure Market. It's pretty cool. So over here you build your little minifigure to make it your own. And then once you do that, well, the parks, other team members who work here, they all have little minifigures on their name tags. And if you'd like to, you can trade your minifigure for theirs, if you like theirs better. And of course, if you have a bunch of minifigures, you can buy these to store them and show them off. This is $31.99. And look how many figures you can store. For $21.99, you can have this interesting Lego take on your standard calendar, desk calendar, which is pretty cool. And of course, there's a lot of IP here in Lego form as well. And Disney is one of them. And they also, of course, have Lego Harry Potter. But in this store, of course, there's lots of Star Wars. So lots of different IPs you can find in other parks, but you can't find the Lego versions, or at least not to this extent. This is something that's new, of course, for the Lego Movie 2, the second one. Yes. Right over here is Hogwarts Castle. And here's something that's brand new, is the Flintstones. Well, not really new, but this set is new. And of course, we've seen a Lego factory, but let's go back in. Pick a brick. The cool thing is there are some things in here that are exclusive to Legoland that you obviously can't get anywhere else. For $19.99, you can have this train. Or, over here, it's not really made of Legos, but this picture frame for $24.99. It is metal though. Over here, you have the Lego driving school. This is also $19.99, and as you can see, Legoland, so you can't buy it anywhere else. Maybe eBay if someone's selling it, but you can't buy it new anywhere else. Here's some more of the Lego Harry Potter, including the Hogwarts Express. This, for example, this set is $19.99. Quidditch. Here's something new in the big shop. Not for sale, of course, but it is for the Lego Movie 2. Whoa, Voltron. That's old school. I remember watching that when I was little. And of course Minecraft, because that's just obvious. They also have personalized mugs for $9.99, and if you're wondering, all the way at the end, yes, they do have Zach. Because Zach is a Lego maniac. If they don't have your name, or you can write it in. 2 rows of Davids, but no Dave? Oh, come on. They have both Marvel and DC. So you can have Iron Man fight Batman if you want. This is Groot Keychain, which is of course easy to find. Oh. No, it's not hard to find. It's right there. See? Found it. Interesting. Never heard of Legos Juniors. Thought that was Duplo. I guess that's the middle. Must be newer. From a distance, I thought this was Lego Conan O'Brien. Look, they have an annual pass exclusive as well. It's being an annual pass holder here is pretty awesome, and it's not expensive at all, and there's no blockout dates. And exclusive merchandise? Sweet. Here's another picture frame. This one is made of Lego, so it's $14.99. This is based on the Dragon coaster. It's a mini version of that. $19.99, not bad. And that's without the discount too, of course, from being a annual pass holder if you are. Over here, for $10.99, it's the Brickhead's Valentine's Bee, or the Lego Seasonal Easter Bunny. And the Valentine's Puppy. That's not a Valentine's Puppy. Down here for $8.99, it is the display flower, a flower display. There's actually quite a few things here that are exclusive in the big shop. Guys stealing bananas from Minions. So that is one of my videos. Looks like it's going to be a multiple video day again today. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Oh, look at that. There's a gift shop right there. As if I planned it. I actually didn't. That would be pretty clever.